Hey y'all, B-Dog Jr. back. We got some more stuff from Texas Speed today. What did we get, buddy?
Stage 4 Texas Speed Cam high lift for 530 with all the goodies.
Okay.
Dual valve springs.
Cool.
Chrome alley push rods.
Nice. Here's that big fat cam. Did you say it's a stage 4?
Yep, a stage 4 Texas Speed high lift truck cam.
Oh. Yeah, if that light's too bright. Here's all the specs. That ought to make that 5.3 per.
Yep.
Or rumble. Nice. Yeah, you even got your Texas Speed shirt on.
Yep.
Cool. Alright, that's it. We're here in Jacksonville, Florida, enjoying this nice spring weather today. It's probably about 72, 73 degrees in the afternoon. Gotta love that. B-Dog Jr. over and out.